It's like, is someone playing the drums across the street? What's going on? I'm hearing the drumming from hell. What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a try-on haul. Pretty much everything is from Forever 21, but this haul is going to be slightly different because I have 3 sets of clothing. The first bunch of clothing that I'm about to show you is stuff that I got when I was on vacation this past weekend in San Diego. It was an outdoor mall. I'm not sure exactly where it was, but I know it was an outdoor mall. Forever 21, that store, that location was closing, so every single thing I got was 75% off. I paid no more than $5 for any given piece of clothing that I'm about to show you. I think the cheapest was $1.25 and the most expensive thing that I got was $4.75, and I'm telling you, I got blouses, I got jeans, I got sweatshirts, like I got it all, and nothing was more than $5. If you guys are near San Diego or you live in San Diego, you better go to that mall ASAP. Or if you're near any Forever 21 location that is closing or moving, 75% off. And I'm not saying up to 75% off where some stuff is 20% off, some stuff is 50% off. No, everything was 75% off. The next grouping of clothes that I'm going to show you is also from Forever 21. My boyfriend thought it would be a good idea for me to tell him what my sizes are, for him to go on Forever 21 and order things that he think would look good on me. These could be things that I would never personally order myself, but he thinks that they would look good on me, so he placed an order. A couple of the things I have tried on and worn, and some of the stuff I have not tried on at all, so you and I are about to find out whether this works out together. And then the third grouping of clothing is also from Forever 21, but it's stuff that I just paid regular price for at my local Forever 21. Okay, so the first group of clothes are going to be the 75% off clothing that I got from the San Diego Forever 21. So we will start with the first blouse, which is this one here. I love this top so much. I think it would be great for work. It is just white, like a rusty orange color, a like dark forest green and black stripes. I got it in a 2X because that's all they had, but it actually fits well. And the regular price was $24.90. Can't remember exactly how much I got because then it was on sale for $15. I want to say it was like $3 if I remember right. I think all the blouses were about $3. So I love the buttons up the front, and it is kind of cropped, which of course you will see in the try-on portion, but I think this is super pretty. The next blouse is this one here, and you guys have already seen this if you follow me on Instagram. This one's a wild one, but I love it so much. It is another button down with a tie in the front, a really pretty royal blue, coral, yellow, and teal color. Super pretty. This is also in a 2X because that's all they had, but it fits perfectly. Just for reference, I'm usually a 1X and a 14 or a 16 on the bottom. So this one was also $3. If you are not following me on Instagram, go do that right now because lately I've been posting a lot of outfit pictures and I always post or tag like where I get the clothing from. So definitely go follow me there. Link is always down in the description box and I will put my handle right here. The next thing I got I think would be great for springtime, maybe with like a light cardigan or something. It's just this yellow tank with a collar. It's just yellow and white stripes, button down. This is a 0X actually, and this was one of the ones that I think was $1.25 or $1.50, somewhere around there. Then I got this really pretty floral like wrap top, which is going to be hard to see right now when I'm holding it up, but once I try it on you will be able to get a better idea. This one does go a little bit low. I have tried this one on, but I think if I wore like a lacy cami or something under it, it would be really cute. This one was also like $2. Can't beat that. The next thing I got was this sweatshirt, just like a comfy sweatshirt, why not? It was, I think, $3 or $4. It's just this hot pink, and in green embroidery it says pony, and it has the pony logo all the way down the sleeves. Just a nice hoodie just to be cozy and relax in. Last minute I saw this top in the men's section, and it's a men's large, and I thought I could somehow spruce it up a little bit to wear to Disneyland. It's just black and white stripes, but has Mickey Mouse here on the chest. I thought that was super cute. It is a button-up top, but the buttons like won't button because it's too small. But even if I wore it like open with like a shirt underneath or tied it at the waist, I thought that would be really cute. So it is kind of like a stiffer material, so I'm hoping I can put it in the dryer and with like a dryer sheet and soften it up a little bit to make it a little bit less stiff. But I thought that was super cute, and it was only a couple dollars. Then I got a pair of jeans. This brand of jeans is amazing. It is, what brand is it? I guess it's Forever 21 brand, but if you see this Love Your Butt tag, they fit me so well. So it's just a kind of like it's a black wash like denim, and it has just a little bit of distressing. I don't know. I say I'm not a huge fan of like a lot of distressing, but I'm about to show you a pair of jeans that have a lot of distressing and I love them, so I guess I can't say that anymore. But that used to be my motto. Not a lot of distressing, can't do it. Like this is like the perfect amount. But like I said, I'm about to show you a pair now that's couldn't be more distressed. These are a size 14, and they came to, this was the most expensive item, it came to like $4.75. So that was it as far as clothing for myself from the 75% off sale. But since we were there, we found a couple cute little girl items for Carlos's niece, and I'm going to show you those. The first one is this puffy sweater that says Amore. How cute is that? Once again, only a couple dollars. Super warm. I wish they had that in my size. Then this long sleeve royal blue top that was once again a couple dollars, and it says Trouble in hot pink and white writing. The rest of these are so cute. This one is a Simpsons tank top. This one was like $1.25. And then this Angelica princess tee. It's like a Nickelodeon tee. Once again, it was only like $1. Can't beat that. And then I found this one. I saw it out of the corner of my eye and I knew it had to be mine, even though it's not really mine. It's his niece's, but it's so cute. It's black and white stripes, and it is a Mickey long sleeve. But Mickey is like in this colorful embroidery. Come on. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Okay, so now let's move into the clothing that my boyfriend picked out for me on the website. We will start with the jeans I was talking about. Now, I did wear these jeans to San Diego on our trip last weekend, and I sat on the side of a cliff and haven't washed these yet, so there are some dirt stains on the butt area and on the back of the legs, so keep that in mind. Once again, if you follow me on Instagram, you already saw these jeans. Overall, I don't know. I'm not the biggest fan of Forever 21 jeans. I feel like they never quite fit just right. They'll be perfect in the legs and then like too loose in the waist, or the other way around. So I don't know. So when I first saw these, when we got the package and I unwrapped it, my first thought was, oh my god, I don't wear light wash jeans. Like, it's just not for me. I feel like my legs are like my biggest insecurity, and with light wash jeans you see everything. Everything. I have never in my entire life, and I'm not over exaggerating, put on a pair of light wash jeans and thought, you know what, those are kind of cute. So I was a little worried. Also, I'm more of a 16 than I am a 14. Not only were they light wash jeans, but then they were a 14. So I was like, oh my god, like this is not gonna be good. But I tried them on, and I can honestly say I have never in my life found a pair of jeans that fits me better. The waist doesn't stretch, so it doesn't fall down. It's not too big in the waist, it's perfect in the waist. The legs are perfect as it goes down. The leg, it's still a skinny jean, but it's a little bit looser of a fit, which is so perfect for this kind of like tattered up, distressed jean. So this is what it looks like. Very distressed, as you can see. The bottom part of it, you're supposed to have it like rolled twice. These are a typical pair of like light wash jeans that you roll up a couple times, wear a pair of Birkenstocks, and you are looking so beachy and so cute. So this is, like I said, what they look like. I will insert a picture of me wearing them right here for you to see what they looked like with the shirt that I was wearing. Once again, I did post that on Instagram, but oh, these jeans are so comfortable, and I think they were on sale. I will try to link it if I can find it in the description box below, but I'm obsessed with these jeans. In case I can't find this online, this is what the tag looks like. I do believe they were cheaper than that, though. I think they were on sale, so if I can't find the link, like I said, here is the tag. Okay, the next thing he picked out for me were these pants here, and they are in a size 1X. They are these striped pants, long knit pants, and they are like a maroon, a yellow, a tan, a black, a blue color, all the colors in the world. Once again, I'm not like the biggest fan of these wide pant legs, so when I first opened this, I was like, oh no. But I tried it on and I was so pleasantly surprised, like I didn't hate it. I feel like he did such a good job. I'm like, you need to shop for me all the time. So I got these pants. Then he picked out these biker shorts that say Los Angeles down the sides in super colorful writing. I feel like this is something I'd probably just wear around the house, but he seems to think this paired with like a cropped white sweatshirt or just a white sweatshirt in general would look cute to go out and about. I don't know. We'll see. And those are in a 1X. Then he picked out this sweater knitted material spaghetti strap tank top, and it is cropped, and I love this tank. I personally think it would look good with black jeans, but he actually picked this out to go with those light wash distressed denim jeans, but I don't know about that. But needless to say, this tank is so cute, and it is in a 1X. Okay, then he picked out a black dress for me that he thought would look good on me, and it is in a 1X, and it is just this black bodycon dress that goes, it's like a v-neck, and it's bodycon, and it's actually shorter on one side than it is the other. Now this is one of those materials that if I would have known it was this material, I probably would have sized up like 1 or 2 sizes, but he doesn't know, so I told him I'm a 1X. He orders everything in a 1X. This thing has never been more tight. This was one of the ones that I did try on, and I feel like it would be flattering in a 2 or 3X on me, but this 1X, I can't breathe. So I'm probably just gonna save it for when I lose a little bit more weight, but once again, pleasantly surprised. Like, I can envision it in a bigger size or me being smaller. If it fit properly, I should say. If it fit properly, I really like it. I think it's gonna be flattering. So that is that. The next thing he picked out was a black tank top bodysuit. This is also in a 1X. Once again, I probably would have sized up. I haven't tried this on, so I really don't know, but I think if I ordered it, I would have sized up. It says 0X, 1X, so I think I would have probably sized up. Also, just by looking at it, it looks like it's a super high cut, so we'll see once I try it on. The next thing is this, it's almost like a cream color, it's not like a stark white top that says baby girl. That's my name in his phone is baby girl, so I thought that was so cute, and I'm super excited to wear this. I think this would be really cute tied up to be a little bit cropped with like a jean jacket over it. So that is that, and he got that, where's the tag? Not a tag to be found, but I'm guessing it's a 1X. Okay, the next thing that he picked out was in a 1X, and it's this top here. He actually gave this to me as part of our little anniversary gift. It says, don't get attached. It's like, are you kidding me? And it's just this cute little white tee with a heart coming out. He actually, since I'm on the topic of this anniversary gift, so he got this top, and then he thought these shoes that kind of matched it, they're Converse. with the same little like heart peeking through, but it's that brand. Supposedly that's a really good brand. What is it? Comme des Garçons? I think that's how he said. He's big into shoes, so I thought those were super cute. I love the back little black stripe. But yeah, they're super cute. All right, and then the last thing he picked out were these shorts. Very tropical, summer ready. These are in a 14, and funny story, I tried these on and they have never been more tight on me, which is so weird because the jeans fit perfectly, same size. But I'm using these as my inspiration shorts. So if I can find an appropriate picture of me trying these on, I will insert it here so you can see how they fit. Because mark my words, these will fit by summertime. Just you wait. These last three are things that I paid full price for on my own. The first one is this acid wash denim jacket from Forever. It's a 0X because it's kind of oversized. And I like it because it's not a super heavy, thick denim, but it's not as thin as like a chambray shirt. It's just kind of like the perfect in between, and I freaking love this. Then I got two sweatshirts, one of which is a forest green cropped sweatshirt, which I have worn and haven't washed yet, but it's just this cropped green sweatshirt here. Has a hood. This green sweater is in a 1X. Then I got a red full-length sweater in a 2X because that's all they had. And it's just a cozy, kind of a thin material sweatshirt. I got this jacket half off at Forever 21 just because they had half off of the winter stuff. But it is this nice long brown, almost peacoat looking coat, and it is so cute and so warm and very like heavy duty. And then the last clothing piece that I got is this t-shirt here, which has the cutout there at the neck, which I really like. It's in a 1X, and this is the coziest shirt ever. I love it. I once again have this on Instagram. I wore this with those distressed jeans, and I really liked that combo. I do have one more thing to add to this haul that I actually did not get from Forever 21. I got it from Target online, and they are white booties. I've been wanting white booties for the longest time, and I actually haven't tried these on yet, as you can see, so I'm hoping they fit, but I thought these were like perfect. I wanted this like black trim at the bottom and this white faux leather. The back has a nice little detail there, so I'm super excited and I hope these work out. I think that's it. If you guys have any questions about the stuff that I tried on, leave me a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I will try to find all of the links to this stuff and leave them in the description box below for you as well. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I've been posting a lot on there lately, and I plan on doing a lot more outfit pictures. Don't forget that I do tag like where I get my certain clothing items or jewelry items on my Instagram post, so it's an easy way to find out where I get my stuff. I'm pretty sure that is all I have to say. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys sticking around. Hit that like button too before you go, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.